Now I started the sketch for the beast. This was the first option with the pose and sort of bending for the back, where I decide how to go with this. Then I use a symmetry tool, try to play with proportions a little bit, make it quite tall. Then I thought that this is the beast should be more kind of grounded, so the center should be lower. Then with the overall shape and bending, I start working on the mess, like kind of a dinosaur or a reptile feeling. Then this option I come up. First I draw this dinosaur, and this is where like reptile thing is coming together with a very interesting, I thought, interesting shape. But then I decided let's go with the big arms, just like gorilla arm, with during this beast design. So this is more like human being and uh, humanoid instead of being like a horse, half horse. Then I finalize it with making it a little bit more scary and creepy, the design. So the last step was actually not the last step, but find some reference for the shadow and for the reptile looking skin, and then I sketch the overall. So the overall silhouette looks like this, and then I put the colors on with the line art, keep it light and like kind of cartoonish looking. And this is where this is the work that I did with the text. So thanks for watching. Please come again.